So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these nasty ones off and put the new plates on there.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the corner.
I am back onto this F-150 bedside that I started on Friday.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
Ripped right open, tore this whole corner off the bed right here. So this one's gonna get a new bedside as well as this corner piece. So I'm gonna pause on this and let that dry. So I'm getting this one all fit together. I got the back fitting nice. Then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna drill my holes for my blind rivets that go right here. And then I will lift this bedside back off, lay out my adhesive and everything, and then put it on permanently at that point. have this F-150 here. This is the one that I actually just finished up the bedside on. This one actually also got a frame replacement. Our mechanic already put a new used frame underneath it, but somebody replaced these end plates before and clearly did a horrible job. So we bought new end plates for each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these nasty ones off and put the new plates on there. I have these plates roughly sitting in place. I'm getting our measuring system out. I'm gonna measure this frame and I'm gonna first match this turtle to the truck. So I'll go to 5 points in the center of the truck and then I'll match this to the truck, and then I could come up here and measure exactly where these are supposed to sit, because you can see here I can put them in all types of different angles and I want to make sure they're sitting exactly where they're supposed to. So I'll use the measuring system to do that. Now I could come up to the front of this. It knows exactly where the truck is sitting right now, and I can make my measurements, and it has me go to the top part of this hole. Now this one's sitting about 5 millimeters back too far, so I'm going to scoot this forward some. I got these sitting pretty damn close. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put some clamps on them and I'm going to recheck them. Alright, now everything is within 3 millimeters, which is plenty within tolerance of the full frames on these. So I'm going to go ahead and weld these plates on all 3 sides there. I always want to protect this ladder, because if you get anything on this track, it'll mess it up and throw off the measuring system. Went ahead and threw some tack welds on there first, just so I could get my vice grips out of my way. And now I'm going to go through and lay down my beads.